It's 12:49 a.m. in North Baltimore County. We're at the very beginning of the blizzard of 2010. We've been photo documenting the plaza parking lot to watch the changes as the snowstorm came in. We've talked before about the ATVs. You can see them in the lot. They've been out playing all evening. There is a snowplow working. However, almost as soon as he clears the road, it's covered again. While he works in the plaza, you can see his truck slip and slide. There's very few cars left, only the few employees that remain at the 24-hour grocery store. The ATV friends are having fun. It's very difficult. Visibility conditions are poor. You can see how hard the snow is falling by looking directly underneath the street lights. If you look closely, you'll see when the wind gusts come that the snow goes from falling straight down to blowing almost completely sideways. Seeing the traffic light off in the distance is very difficult now. Normally we can see far behind. Trending questions on Twitter are discussing whether or not businesses will be open or closed tomorrow, whether or not Charm City residents will be headed off to work. The snowplow slips and slides along, trying hard to clear a path, his snow tires and chains sliding as he goes. We've been experiencing a snowfall rate of close to 3 inches per hour. The snow is starting to lay heavy on the trees nearby. Maryland residents are beginning to report power outages, contacting Baltimore Gas and Electric, who claims they're prepared to keep people safe and warm and with their lights and televisions on. As the storm progresses, we'll post more. Currently, the report is that there's over 11 inches of snow that's fallen in western Maryland. We're unsure about the snowfall rates here in North Baltimore County at this time, but we expect to see a considerable snow accumulation overnight and even more to continue through the day tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'm Kae Davis. Follow us on Twitter at Cafe Cars.